Okay, folks, let's go over how to configure the ticker subscriber. Some people wanted to have a little video to kind of walk them through. So we will come to any Discord channel on this server. You can't be in like a private message or whatever. It's got to be on the server. You're going to come down to where you're typing your message. You're going to hit the slash command. The slash command is going to bring up all the different commands that are on the server from all the different bots. We're looking for subscribe combo is what I like to use because that lets me tailor it to what I'm looking for. So we'll go ahead and pick that. There's three required fields down here. We have the asset type, we have the time frame, and we have what status it is. So first thing, we have to pick our asset type, and we're going to be looking at crypto, stocks, Forex. So if you're not sure what the asset type is, you're going to have to kind of look into it to see. But we're going to go with crypto in this instance. The next one, of course, is a time frame. The lower time frame runs on the 4-hour chart. The higher time frame runs off of the daily. So we're going to pick the lower time frame here. The status is next. We have different dots here that will come up, the red dot flashing, green, gold, and rockets. I tend to stay away from the red dot flashing because it could happen quite often. The reds will flash more often than any of these other dots here. The green dots are what those are is those are an attempt to try and call the bottom. Okay, these are very high risk plays. A green dot will call the bottom in almost every single case, but it will also call downward channels. So I do not buy on the green dots, but if you subscribe to the green dot confirmed, it's going to give you a heads up that, hey, you might be at the bottom. All right. What confirms you're at the bottom is the gold dots. Okay, the gold dots will come up when it sees a reversal of the downtrend. Okay, so these are going to be confirming the green dots. Okay, the TA for the gold dots is going to allow that gold dot to print. Okay, rocket dots are very rare. You're probably very seldomly will see those. These dots also will be followed by a gold dot. Okay, so just because a rocket comes up doesn't mean you want to be, aping in on it. It will be followed by a gold dot as well. So in this instance, we're going to go ahead and pick gold dot flashing. Okay, the next step is it wants us to either pick a ticker or a ping. The way this is written out right now is perfectly fine if we wanted to just hit enter and use this. What this will do for the asset type crypto on the lower time frame on a gold dot flashing, if we hit enter on this, it will give us every flashing gold dot for every crypto on the watch list. But if we don't want to have that, we're going to go ahead and pick a ticker. And then we can go ahead and type in some of our ticker symbols. We got BTC, XRP, XLM. We can put multiple tickers here. You can put a comma or a space. The system will accept both. We have one more option here, which would be a ping. Okay, so if we pick on ping, and we set this to true, what will happen here is if the crypto asset on the lower time frame, gold dot flashing, of any of these three assets, if that dot prints, the Discord bot will ping us. Okay, I don't want to have that, so I'm going to back that out. Okay, so now that we hit entered, we can see that now we're subscribed to those three choices.